Hi there, I'm Sam Nielsen. I'm the Nursery Program Specialist at the Inland Empire Resource Conservation District, and today I'm going to teach you how to plant tiny plants into gallon-sized pots. I've already mixed in our perlite into our potting mix to help with drainage, and our next step is to make sure it has adequate moisture in the soil. And a good sign of adequate moisture is you hold it and no water comes out, so that's good, but you also want it to clump easily, and so this needs a little more water because it's falling apart. Okay, so I'll add a little bit more water, but not too much. And then I'll start mixing. And now our soil should clump together a little more easily. Okay, next step is we're gonna transplant this showy penstemon into this gallon-sized pot. We're gonna start by filling up our gallon container up to about where we think the bottom of this smaller cube is gonna reach. So we'll start putting our soil in to a gallon pot, and then you want to tamp down the soil. This is important because if you have soil that's too loose, it's not going to provide good structure for the potted plant. Okay, so we'll put this in. It's about level. Eventually we want to have a little bit of space at the top, so this is just about perfect. Next up, we're gonna take this plant out of its container, and we want to tip it over gently, holding the plant between our fingers, and then it has this handy little button that you can push and then gently pop it out. You can see this plant's ready to go. It's got its roots coming to the bottom of the pot. Just enough so that the plant's near the top of the container. Okay, and then next, we're gonna fill up the rest of the pot. You can kind of just fill in the sides here. And then we're going to continue to compact the soil, because ultimately we want to provide a good structure for this plant so it can form good roots that go eventually all the way down to this top so it can be planted out. All right, and here's our final product. You see the penstemon is nice and snug in its new home, and you can tell when I touch this soil, it's nice and firm. My finger doesn't sink in like the soil. It's nice and compact. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed learning how to transplant this native plant with me. And don't forget, for our final step, we're gonna water our plant in. Bye.